Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is fine and everybody is doing great. In my previous video, I talked about 4 types of intonation, but in today's video, I'm going to talk about one very important aspect of public speaking, that is a very important tool you can use to make your speech effective. Now what I did, were you able to connect with what I just said? Were you able to get involved? Were you able to match up with my pace? No, right? You had a problem. Why? Because I did not take a pause while I was speaking. Therefore, in today's video, I'm going to talk about this very important aspect of public speaking, which you can use as a very important tool to make your speech much more effective. So let's get started. Now, what is a dramatic pause? Suppose whenever you are speaking with someone or whenever you are up on stage presenting on a particular topic, in between you stop for 2 seconds, and that is a pause. And why it is important? It is important for the presenter as well as the audience who is on the other side. Right? And why it is at all important in public speaking? Why? Because suppose you commented on a very important point, okay, and right after commenting on a very important point, you take a pause for 2 seconds. So how that pause will help? That pause will help the audience to think upon and reflect on what you just said. They will be able to digest whatever you just commented. And suppose you are coming up with a very important point. You did not say it, but you are coming up. Okay. So right before saying something important, you can also take a pause. And what will happen in that case? The audience will guess that something very important is coming their way, right? Something very important is coming their way, and tension will heighten and they will get involved. And I hope that you know that involving the audience, engaging them is so important, right? I already talked about how engaging the audience is important, why engaging the audience is important in public speaking. What will happen if the audience are not involved? You are saying, you are going on with your presentation, nobody will listen to you. Then what is the benefit of presenting such a thing? That your audience, or with whom, the person with whom you were speaking, he or she is a kinesthetic learner and not an auditory one. In that case, what will happen? The audience or the person with whom you were speaking, he or she may get lost in the sea of words. Right? They will not be able to digest so many things that you just said. So in that case also, you can take a pause in between to let them process everything that you just said. So pause is very important. And it is also important for you as well, right? Suppose you are up on stage and you are saying something, or you are presenting on a topic and you are just continuously saying without taking a pause, and what will happen? You will lose all your energy, right? So in that case also, pause will help to regain that energy that you have lost. And for the audience, to let them process, to get them involved with whatever you are saying, pause is very important. So in today's video, what I just did, I talked about one very important area of public speaking, that is pause. Okay, suppose you have memorized everything and you were scared that you might forget something. So what you did, you get up on stage and you said everything at one go without taking a pause. Why? Because you were scared that you might forget if you take a pause. In that case also, what you can do is you can rehearse a number of times. If you rehearse a number of times, in that case, what will happen? You will not forget your script. Or even if you're forgetting your script, right, what you can do, you're always welcome to take a notebook in front of you, or take a paper where everything is written, the important points are written. And from there you can just see and tell. Okay, but don't forget to make that eye contact. You can just see that important point, and right after that you have to make eye contact with the audience. If you are just reading from a book or reading from a notebook without making eye contact, that is also not advisable. In that case also the audience will, they will lose interest, they will not get involved. Maintaining eye contact is also important, but once in a while you can look at your notebook. If you are not confident enough to deliver everything without to deliver everything without seeing a notebook, you can do that. But taking a pause, maintaining eye contact, these are very important points that you have to remember while you are up on stage and presenting. So in order to be a very effective public speaker, you can use pause. You can use pause as a very, very important tool to make your presentation much more attractive and to impact the audience largely. You can make a very, very powerful impact on the audience with the help of pause, right? So this will be my advice that before you present something, please remember this important point, that you have to take a pause in between. It is for your benefit as well as for the audience's benefit. Okay, and this is very, very crucial to connect with them, to bond with them, to make your speech effective, and all these things will make you a very good public speaker. If you just notice, or even if you can go through videos where you will come across great leaders giving presentations on important topics, on important social issues, in every such videos you will notice that they are taking pause at the right place. When they want to emphasize on something, when they are coming up with important points, when they want the audience to think, at those places they are taking a pause for 2 seconds, and that is important. So this much for today's video. I hope that this video helps, and if this video is at all helpful for you, please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Flourish Your Skills. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.